Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. We are going to make a dual power supply with a 2-line transformer. Before starting the assembling, I have one humble request. These are the videos I have published recently. You can see the view count of the videos and the like count of the videos. People are watching more than 50% total time of each of my videos. If you like my video, please click like to my video, and also if you dislike my video, please click dislike button. If you are disliking the video, please comment that because of this reason I am disliking. Then only I can improve myself. Otherwise what will happen is I will again and again make the similar videos which you do not like. Kindly consider this as a humble request from me. Let's start assembling this one. The circuit and its explanations are given at the end of this video. Only 4 components are used for this full wave dual power supply. 2 4700 microfarad electrolytic capacitors and 2 1N4007 diodes. At the output we will get double of the voltage we are giving in the input. For beginners of electronics and technological students, this can be treated as a learning video. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. I am sure that this has not taught you at your academics. This is the schematic of the full wave dual power supply including transformer. The bottom end of the transformer is taken as ground or zero voltage. This is the working principle. When positive cycle of a sine wave arrives, then top diode becomes forward biased and will give that positive varying voltage to the output, and that will be filtered by the top capacitor. Similarly, when negative cycle arrives, then bottom diode will become forward biased and will give the output through that and will be filtered by the bottom capacitor, and thus a full cycle will be rectified to the output. If you believe that this video helped you in gaining some knowledge about dual power supply, then please click like button. Also, if you have any doubts or suggestions, please comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.